好，同学们，我们来看一下 living room 这道题。首先呢，大家把视频暂停一下，用30秒到40秒的时间呢，把这一段话先读一遍。OK， 这篇文章还是比较长的，对不对？我们来看一下，先看第一部分。Living room is the most used part。这里呢要注意了 ，most used part。OK， 我们要连读的话呢，首先你要看好这个 that 后面还有一句话，对不对？所以第一句话呢比较长，我们先把前面读一下。Living room is the most used part。听好了 ，most used 非常弱，这个 t 还有这个 t，most used part that 我们要在这个 part 后面要停顿，那这个 t 呢就要发得很清楚了。Living room is the most used part that withholds that 这个 t 一定要弱化它 ，OK， 做出口型 that withholds most of 看到了 of 吗？连在一起 most of the traffic coming in and out of the house 这个 of 也要连读。那好，那我们这个 traffic 呢就要注意了，这个不能读成 traffic， 这是错的。most of the traffic traffic 做出口型，你可以把这个 k 发出来 traffic coming in and out of the house 没有问题，这个 and 要注意 OK。 好，我们看第二句 It is highly recommended 不要读成了 recommended OK， 非常不好听 recommended 在这个 e 和 之间 recommended that 我要在这个 that 后面停顿。很多人说 It is highly recommended that 或者 It is highly recommended 在这个 that 前后停的都是可以的。那我们在这个 that 后面停吧。那如果 that 后面停的话，这个 t 呢就要发出来。It is highly recommended that the flooring should be 不能读成 should be 是错的 should be 口一定要做到位，就跟我们说悉尼一样 Sydney 对不对？这个 d 呢你没有发出来，但是呢你这口型做的是做到位的。Should be strong enough that it can 好，这两个词要注意了 that it can that it can 我没有读成 that it can 是错的 that it can endure all such amendments done with your furniture tiny pause or to the increasing and decreasing ratio of visitors 连在一起。所以第二个句子比较长，我们在哪里断呢？第一个是在 that 前后都可以，对不对？前后都可以。第二个部分呢 the flooring should be strong enough that it can endure all such amendments done with the furniture 在这里 all 前面一个 tiny pause 我们连起来读一下 Living room is the most used part that withholds most of the traffic coming in and out of the house. It is highly recommended that the flooring should be strong enough that it can endure all such amendments done with the furniture or to the increasing and decreasing ratio of visitors. 好，我们来看第二部分For this purpose 重读这个 this OK For this purpose you can opt 不要读成 opt OK 快一点一定要迅速 opt You can opt for hardwood 不要读成 hardwood 是错的 hardwood flooring OK 这个 d 和这个 d 都是做出口型 hardwood flooring Being classy and sophisticated 不是 sophisticated OK sophisticated Being classy and sophisticated in look, it is in look 这个 K 不要读成 look, OK 这个 K 非常的弱。In look, it is the perfect choice. Perfect 我没有读成 perfect, OK Perfect choice for your living room whenever you are remodeling your home. OK 在哪里停呢？这里 it is 前面一个 tiny pause. 好，我们来看一下，连起来读一下。For this purpose, you can opt for hardwood flooring. Being classy and sophisticated in look, it is the perfect choice for your living room whenever you are remodeling your home. Alright, guys, 我们把这个两部分呢连在一起读一下，读的稍微慢一点。Living room is the most used part that withholds most of the traffic coming in and out of the house. It is highly recommended that the flooring should be strong enough that it can endure all such amendments done with your furniture or to the increasing and decreasing ratio of visitors. For this purpose, you can opt for hardwood flooring. Being classy and sophisticated in look, it is the perfect choice for your living room whenever you are remodeling your home. Alright, thank you guys.